Hey, I'm John O'Brien, founder of Rome Roof and Solar. If you're watching this, someone's already told you that you need a new roof. Maybe an inspector, maybe another contractor, or perhaps you filed a claim months ago and life got in the way. Here's the thing, a roof that needs replacing doesn't get better with time. Small issues turn into bigger ones, and if you have an open claim, your carrier's deadlines are ticking whether you're ready or not. Here's what to expect from us at your appointment. We do a thorough inspection of your entire property. We're gonna walk the full roof, identifying any damage, evaluating its age or lifespan, documenting current condition, and noting any workmanship issues or potential leak-prone areas. You don't have to be home for the inspection, but if you can be there, that's super helpful. And if you're available, we do like to take a quick look in the attic because that's where we can inspect the decking underneath before any work starts. After that, you'll get a comprehensive photo report of exactly what we found. From there, one of three things happens. If your roof is in good shape, we'll tell you that. But not only that, we'll provide you with a report documenting your roof's clean bill of health, time and date stamped. That way, if a storm rolls through next year and your insurance carrier tries to say that the damage was pre-existing, you have proof that it wasn't. This is something that has come in really handy for several of our clients over the years who've faced denials for storm damage. Secondly, sometimes what we find is minor damage. And we'll tell you that too. It's possible for a storm to create an isolated issue that's just a straightforward repair. We're not going to recommend a full replacement when you have considerable life left with your roof and a repair is all you need. If we find that replacement is necessary, we're not just going to tell you that. We're going to show you our findings in the report so that you can see exactly what we're seeing. And if there's storm damage that would warrant an insurance claim, we'll walk you through every step of the process. When the adjuster's estimate comes in, we'll review it against what we actually found on your roof, line by line. We'll look at the measurements, the scope, and the materials because adjusters do miss things and we want to catch them and get them corrected before the job starts. If you're expecting to go the insurance route or you've already filed a claim, you may be wondering, do I really have to pay my deductible? Yes. And that's not just a company policy, it is Texas law. Believe it or not, it's always been the law in Texas, but in 2019, the state passed House Bill 2102 to close the loopholes contractors had previously used to get around it. And they gave the law real teeth and real consequences. So if another roofer is offering to eat your deductible, understand what they're really offering: insurance fraud that can lead to dropped coverage, fines, and even jail time. We follow the law because protecting you matters more than winning a job. These days, people are often surprised at how high their deductible is. We get it. We have options to help spread that cost out. And in the last video of the series, I'm going to show you exactly how. So before your appointment, I want you to watch the rest of the videos in this series. You'll learn how to evaluate contractors, what goes into a properly built roof system, all the different options for your home, and some interesting ways to pay for it. I want to set you up for success, whether or not you choose to work with us. See you soon.